Hello students, good morning all of you, and today is my 23rd lecture online class of class 9 geography, and today I will revise chapter 2 physical features of India about the Himalaya mountain. In the earlier class I told you about the ranges of the Himalayas. That was it is divided into three categories, that is the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and the Lesser Himalaya, Outer Himalaya, Shivalik. Today I will again told you about the division of Himalaya according to the river valleys. Now listen carefully. Division of Himalaya according to the river valleys. Now see, the part of Himalaya lying between the river Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya. See, Punjab Himalaya is between the river Indus and river Satluj. That is the Punjab Himalaya. But it is also known as regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from the west to east respectively. Next is the part of Himalaya that is lying between river Satluj and river Kali, that is known as Kumaon Himalaya. Okay, and third one, the river Kali and river Tista. In between these two rivers there is a Nepal Himalaya. And last one, between the river Tista and river Dihang, that is the Assam Himalaya. These are the divisions of Himalaya according to the river valleys. Now, the Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalaya beyond the Dihang Gorge. The Himalaya bends sharply to the south. See here, it is sharply bound to the south from the Dihang river. It is bent sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. These regions, this is known as Purvanchal. Northeastern region is known as Purvanchal or Eastern Hills. These hills running through the northeastern states are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks covered with these parts are covered with dense forest. They mostly run as parallel ranges and the valleys. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills and Mizo Hills. These are all along the northeastern regions of the Purvanchal. Clear? Now the next topic is next physical features, that is the northern plain. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. I mean to say that these northern plains are formed by three major river systems. These three rivers are the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These plains formed by the alluvial soil by these rivers along with their tributaries also. The deposition of alluvium in a vast basin lying at the foothills of the Himalaya over millions of years to form this fertile plain. It is spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. It means its total area of the northern plain in our country is 7 lakh square kilometer. Its length is 2400 kilometer and the width is 240 to 320 kilometers. This is the features about the northern plains. And these northern plains are densely populated due to the adequate water supply and the favorable climate. And it is also best for the activities of agriculture also. It is agriculturally a very productive part of India. The river coming from the northern mountain involved in the depositional work. In the lower course, due to gentle slope, the velocity of river decreases when it come along this northern plain, and they deposited their sediments along this northern plains. And somewhere we can see the formation of riverine island also. For example, there is a Majuli, that is the largest inhabited riverine island formed by the Brahmaputra river in Assam. That name is Majuli. The river in the lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt. These channels are known as distributaries. It means the numerous channels that is formed by a single river, that is known as distributaries. The northern plain is broadly divided into 3 sections. The western part of the northern plain is referred as Punjab plain. For it is formed by the river Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of the plain lies in Pakistan, that is known as Karachi plain. The Indus and its tributaries, it means the tributaries of Indus is, that is Satluj, Vyas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. And you also know that by this tributaries Punjab plain is formed. It means Punjab, the name Punjab is formed by these 5 rivers. Panj-ab. Panj means 5 and ab means rivers. पंच का मतलब 5 और आब मतलब नदी. पंजाब 5 नदियों से बना है.